Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hub Tour, and yes, this is Freebie Monday. It has come early once again, and today it is all about SMZ. My guy snapped on this one. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what point he's trying to prove, but he is proving it with this watch face in front of you in particular. Now there's 4 in the lineup, and they're all nice. All right, so I know freebies are coming out your ears. Now when you're ready for me to stop, hit me in the comment section down below and say we need a break. All right, with that being said, let's check out watch face number 1. The number 1 is called SMZ Magnum Red and Orange. This one is nice. Now in the AOD mode, it's gonna have a nice look. It's gonna look pretty much the same for the Gears 3 in the AOD mode, and for the Gears 2, it's gonna look slightly different. You will get your digital time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, here's where the beauty rises up in this watch face, I'm telling you. Now, if you look up at the top, you do get the name of the watch face. I like the black background. You're gonna get your distance, miles walked or ran, also your step info right there. You come down, you're gonna get info on calories burned, and I like the placement of the digital time. Very unique, has an elegant taste to it as well. In the center, you will get your date, your month, your date, your day of the week, and also right here you're going to get animated seconds, and at the same time you will be able to make a phone call, and you tap there, single tap right here, you get your text messages, and of course here you get your weather. Very convenient. This watch face is beautiful, people. I don't know, you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And it is inactive, right? So if I tap there, I can get my recents. I can tap right here and get information on my heart rate status. And if I tap in the center, here's where the goodies come from, right? Double tap, and it's going to change colors. You see it? Let's cycle through all the different colors and flavor. Look at the background. Now the background theme changes that this watch face has to offer. Now we're not going to go through all of them because you get 22 different themes and all. My man SMZ has loaded this watch face up. You got to check this out for yourself in the Gear Manager store, but make sure you hit me and let me know your thoughts on this one. All right, you all, let's go ahead and check out watch face number 2. Now watch face number 2 is going to be in the same flavor as watch face number 1, but you're going to get a different color. It's going to have a nice look, but you get all the same features and functions that you would get out of number 1. So you have choices today, people. With that, let's go on and check out watch face number 3. It's called SMZ Revo USS, a very nice digital watch face, a casual watch face for a casual week. Now SMZ always continues to do his thing with watch faces. He really stepped outside of himself with number 1 and number 2, and this one is just as nice. I'm very impressed at the layout and the information that he gives with this watch face to make the watch face very, very convenient for the user. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to differ from the Gear 3 to the Gear 2 to some degree, but you'll still be able to get your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now when the watch face is on, up at the top you're going to get your date. You come down, you will get battery info, step info. In the middle you're going to get a nice red PM stamp. In the center, big bold digital time. Down at the bottom, your step status info like your heart rate, steps, floors climbed, miles walked or ran. You get everything you could possibly want to need within this watch face, and at the same time it is inactive. So if I tap on the battery, I can't get my recents. If I tap right here, I can get my step status, calories burned, miles walked or ran. I can go into my settings, caffeine, water intake, everything that you're looking for in your step status info is right here. And if I tap on December, I can get my weather. And if I tap on Sunday, I can get my calendar, set an event if I so choose. And if I want to, I can double tap and change the colors. Now you're going to get about 21 to 22 different colors. We're not going to cycle through all of them, but I'm telling you, you got enough colors in here to color coordinate with whatever color you may have on for the day. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face as well. And let's go ahead and check out, last but not least, watch face number 4. Watch face number 4. Now number 4 is nice, very unique, very different. SMZ outside of the box once again. All right, so the name of this watch face is called Rhythmic. Don't go anywhere yet. I know you see a blank screen. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. I like the uniqueness. Even in the always on mode, it looks really nice, and when you cut the watch face on, it gets just that much more unique. Now if you look at the top, you will get your date. You come down to the bottom, you will get a nice big bold digital time. Now around the bezel of the watch, you got your phone, you can set an alarm, you got your settings down here, you got your battery information, you got your music. With a single tap you can go right into it, your text messages, also weather. You get everything you can ever want and need in this watch face so far as shortcuts are concerned. Very nice. Now if you're looking for your S health, which is important to a lot of you all, single tap and it turns it right on. So of course you're going to get your heart rate, calories burned, floors climbed, miles walked or ran, your step information. You got everything you can ever need. Now if you don't want that, you want to dim the lights down, that's all you got to do is single tap once again and it's on. Now you also can change the color theme of this. Now you're going to get 24 different color themes within this watch face, which SMZ is loading us up. I'm telling you, this guy creates phenomenal watch faces. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Continue to grind hard.